All right, so we've located the line out in the warehouse to the north of the men's room that we're working in. Location is picking up right in front of their largest sign labeling machine. Unfortunately, that machine is too large to be moved at any point in time. With this type of a T, can't get the camera to go past. I know I've got about 95 feet of jetter hose out. Line is open and draining at this point in time, so we are going to go ahead and end our services for today. Recommend that a clean out be installed in the warehouse for better access to main sewer line to city. I've got the jetter hose stuck in the flapper so that there's continuous water flow to rinse the camera.
Well, I got you